So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can open the HEIC images on your laptop that are basically the photos that are captured using iPhone. The basics, the basic photos application cannot open it. You need an extension that is paid. So in order to open it for free, just simply go to the Microsoft Store right there and search for HEIC extension right there, and now you can find multiple options right there. Now you just simply need to go to the application right there, uh, HEIC viewer for Windows. Now you can get this one for free just by pressing on get, and you can see it's totally free version that you can use to convert the HEIC images, or you can use it to open simply the HEIC files right on your Windows. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.